Stand by. Contact.
Do you have one magazine or two?
I have two. Sir, you're doing not bad. Line the fundament.
Well, I'll be turning on my navigation.
Luckily you didn't flag it.
Once you finish loading.
He's gonna bring it to this bowling ball. Maybe like, if you're aiming like right directly in the middle, maybe just throw it.
15-yard line speed reload drill. You'll fire a control pair, conduct a speed reload, and fire another control pair in a time limit of 14 seconds.
Same drill. Stand by. Contact. Fire. Control pair.
Face, up range.
Identify! You're drawing your pistol, punching out, bring it back to your chest. Identify! Gotta bring it back in. Contact! Identify!